amazing, beautiful, wonderful viewers, subscribers, supporters. Hi, how are you? My name is Tony. If you're new, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. Today's video is just a simple video. I'm just decorating my Christmas tree. I had to purchase a new Christmas tree this year. If you've watched any of my videos, then you will know why I had to purchase a new one. If you haven't seen any of my videos and you don't know, I will leave a link to that video up here. Everything is always listed in the description box for you guys. I really do hope that you enjoy it, and I will see you at the end of the video. So my journey starts at Walmart in the garden center, where they have all of their Christmas decor and these lovely Christmas trees. Unfortunately, a lot of them were sold out, but I did find a beautiful tree that I'm extremely happy with. So we picked it out and we brought it home. This is it. It is a 7.5 foot tree, and it has like 2 different styles of branches on it. It is very, very pretty. So I took it all out of the box and put it on the floor to unpack everything. Clearly I wasn't happy with that, so I picked it all up and put it on my couch. I guess I was moving it out of the way. I'm not really sure what my thinking was here, but that's what I did. And then I'm going to clean out this little area right here about this window. And I'm going to remove everything and vacuum it up. Ignore all that stuff under that table. Those are Christmas items that I am hiding. And it took me a lot longer than I want to admit to get this stand to work. But I got it to work, and so I put the tree together. It was really simple. It was only a couple different parts to put together, and then I just had to cut the little band from around it. It wasn't even hard, it was just extremely time consuming, was fluffing the entire tree out. And we're about to start that now, and it was just extremely time consuming. I think it took me a good 45 minutes, if not a little bit longer. So this video took me a couple of days to make. I didn't do all of this in one day. I think it took about 3 days for me to finally get back where I could get everything done. So in the next part of me putting the lights on, that's why I have my clothes changed and everything like that. It is actually like 2 days later. So right here, I'm just going to add all of the lights on there that I got. It looks a lot easier than what it actually was. It wasn't that hard because the tree does spin, but it definitely looks a lot easier editing it than it actually really was when I was doing it. So next is the fun part. I'm gonna make some bows for the tree topper. So I just picked out 3 of my favorite ribbons, and I stapled the ends together just to make the process easier for me. I tried it without it and it didn't want to work out. It was a little bit difficult, so I decided to staple all of my ends together. The little short ribbons are 12 inches and the long ribbon is 24 inches. So I'm going to take the long one and fold it down and then fold it down again. And then I'm going to staple each side. And then I'm going to add the other two in the middle. And there you have it. I'm going to use a piece of floor wiring to tie the bottom of it together. And I'm going to leave the wiring pretty long at the end so that I have a way to stick it down into the tree. And that's it. That's how I make them. I think I make about 10 of them. I have a 7.5 foot tree, so I made 10 just to make sure that I had enough to put them wherever I wanted them or to fill in any bare spots that I thought I needed to fill in. So I'm going to show you how to do it again. So here they are. Like I said, I made about 10 of them, and I'm going to put them with the other items that I got to make a tree topper. So the floral here and the black leaves and the white flowers all came from Joann's. So I used 2 of the first little floral branches that I showed you, and then I used about 4 of the black leaves. And then I used about 3 or 4 of the white floral flowers. And then I'm going to add my bows, and that's it. And that's how I made the tree topper. It turned out so pretty. I really enjoy it. I enjoyed making it, creating it, and I enjoy it every day. So next I'm going to put these ribbons on my tree. I cut them at about 3 feet each, and I just chose some similar to the bows that I made. And I just tied it to the tree because I did get an artificial tree. So I think I left maybe 3 inches at the top and the bottom and tied it in between. And I do this on the entire tree. So after I got all the ribbons where I wanted them, I did go ahead and add all of my ornaments that I got. And this is the final look of my tree. I hope you guys enjoy it. The tree is so beautiful. The footage doesn't do it any justice. It is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm very, very happy with it, and it makes me feel a little bit proud of myself. And thank you so much for watching, guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. It really, really does help me. And also make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and that you have your notification bell turned on. The next couple videos are going to be similar. I'm going to be decorating my entire living room, my master bedroom, and then I'm going to put up a tree in my son's room for him. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and all of that good stuff. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all so, so much. If you want to join me on any of my other social media, look in the description box. Links to those will be down in there, and anything else that I think that you might find interesting. So always go check that out. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.